saw this. I think we're in Utah. What is this? Yep, I got sand in my eyes. We found a cave. Woo! The closer we get to the car, the more rocks that are being thrown at us. So yeah, we're back in the car. It is super windy out there. Almost like unusably windy.
Sand all in my phone,
yeah.
my clothes, my hair, my teeth, my mouth, my nose, my ears.
Yeah, I have a lot of sand in my eyes.
Like,
do you still have the eye drops?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I need eye drops in my eyes. I'm glad that my sister last minute was like, hey, I got eye drops, 2 for 1. Do you want a pair?
What?
And I was like, nah. Crystal said, yeah. And I said, okay. And I've actually been using them because my eyes have been getting dry out here in the desert. We have to shake our jackets off from all the sand. We took a straight turn that said scenic overlook. Things over here. Speaking of dam, there's a dam. So we pulled over to check it out. They have little holes. All right, go. Halfway there. Kind of. So this is Horseshoe Bend, what we drove hours and hours to come see.
We just left Antelope Canyon, so we didn't get to record. We also
they don't let you take GoPros.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Stupid. But you can take a full-size camera.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. But we'll show you pictures. Down through Atlanta, like Georgia, and then Florida. Anyways, so that's our plan. So according to the map, it took us maybe like 3 days. I don't know, depending how much we stop. It took us forever to get here. Like we kept stopping, we kept seeing like cool stuff on the road. So it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's 48 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but we just made it to Four Corners Monument. It's it's closed, so we can't actually get a cool video of it, and we're gonna pass by it. It's really cold. So we actually made it. Navajo Nation Parks and Recreation, Four Corners Monument, USA. Oh, we tried. I'm upset that we didn't do that, but there's always another time.
Yeah.
And one thing, check this out. If we turn this off, so see, that's our street lights. If we turn off all the lights, you literally see nothing. There's no lights, there's no stars.
It's scary.
There's nothing. It's very eerie. And then there's no cars around for miles. So yeah, back to the road.